What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day can improve your heart health, boost your energy, burn fat, and refresh your mind without exhausting your body? No long workouts, no complicated routines, no gym membership. Just 10 focused minutes on a bicycle. Cycling is one of the most underrated yet powerful exercises. When you pedal even for 10 minutes, your legs begin to work immediately. The thighs, calves, and glutes activate together while your core stabilizes the body. At the same time, your heart rate increases, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. 10 minutes of cycling every day strengthens the heart. It trains your cardiovascular system to work more efficiently. A stronger heart pumps blood with less effort, reducing fatigue and improving stamina. Over time, this lowers the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and poor circulation. Cycling is also excellent for fat loss. Pedaling burns calories while being gentle on the joints. Unlike running, cycling places minimal stress on the knees and ankles, making it suitable for people of all ages. 10 minutes may seem short, but daily consistency boosts metabolism and helps the body use fat as energy, especially when combined with healthy eating. Another major benefit of daily cycling is improved muscle tone. Your legs become stronger and more defined. The glutes activate with every pedal stroke, helping shape the lower body. Core muscles stay engaged to maintain balance, improving posture and stability. Cycling also supports mental health. The rhythmic motion of pedaling reduces stress and anxiety. It clears the mind, improves focus, and boosts mood by releasing endorphins. Even a short cycling session can act as a mental reset, especially after long hours of sitting or screen time. 10 minutes of cycling helps improve joint mobility. The smooth circular motion lubricates the knee and hip joints, reducing stiffness and discomfort. This makes cycling an excellent daily movement for people who experience joint pain from inactivity. Consistency is the secret behind results. 10 minutes every day is easier to maintain than long, intense workouts. Small daily effort builds discipline and creates long-term change. Over weeks, the body adapts, endurance improves, and energy levels increase naturally. Cycling also improves breathing efficiency. Controlled breathing during cycling enhances lung capacity and oxygen use. Better oxygen delivery improves performance not just during exercise but in daily life as well. Another powerful benefit of cycling is improved sleep quality. Regular movement helps regulate the sleep cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Many people notice better sleep when they include light daily cardio like cycling. Cycling fits into any lifestyle. It can be done outdoors or on a stationary bike. It can be part of your morning routine or a quick evening session. No special skills are required. Just pedal and move forward. 10 minutes of cycling is not about intensity. It is about consistency and intention. Show up every day, move your body, and let progress build naturally. Fitness does not always require pain or exhaustion. Sometimes it requires simple movement done regularly. In the end, 10 minutes of cycling every day is not just exercise. It is a habit that improves physical health, mental clarity, and overall quality of life. If you want a sustainable way to stay active, burn fat, and feel energized, start with 10 minutes and stay consistent. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel, also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.